Hi guys, I'm Razvan, I'm the physiotherapist from Intense Physio, and today I'm going to show you some exercises for neck stiffness. If you try this exercise, your stiffness will be gone, but before we start the exercises, I suggest to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, many thanks in advance, and also leave me a comment below if you have any questions. The first exercise is a chin tuck. So we have to stretch a little bit the base of the head. We can do it from sitting or from lying down. In sitting, you keep the back straight. You can do it in sitting on a chair or just sitting in bed. Back straight. You just need to push your chin in. With the fingers, I'm just feeling the movement. I'm not pressing with the fingers. Like this. And you should feel a pull at the base of the head. You can do it from lying down as well. Now I'm using a pillow. Again, I can put the fingers on my chin just to feel the movement, and I press down into the pillow and relax. Press down and relax. You can do it as a dynamic exercise where you can press and release, or like more like a strengthening exercise where you can put the fingers there, you push it down, you hold it there for 5 seconds and relax. And again, hold it, push it and relax. And you can do 10 repetitions for each exercise. The second exercise is to stretch the levator of scapula. There's a muscle that attaches on the scapula and we can stretch it very easy. So what you can do a half rotation to the side. So we start on the left and then you look down. With the other hand, you just push it down, try to relax the opposite shoulder and you will feel the pull going down to the shoulder blade. You hold it there for 5 to 10 seconds and then come back. Same thing on the other side, half rotation, down, shoulder down, the left one down, and with the right hand, you push the head down slowly as much as you can until you feel a nice pull going down to the shoulder blade. 10 seconds, hold it there, and then slowly come back up. The third exercise is to stretch the upper fibers of trapezius. One hand behind your back, try to keep the shoulder down, and now we have to push the ear to the opposite shoulder, like this. With the other hand, we add a bit of overpressure until you feel a nice stretch on the opposite side, going down to the shoulder. You hold it there for 10 seconds and then come back. I'm going to show you on the other side as well. So hand behind your back, shoulder down, and now we need to push the ear to the other side, like this. With the hand, pull it a bit more, add a bit of overpressure, hold it there for 10 seconds and come back. You can do 5 repetitions on each side. Start very gently with the first repetition and then slowly you can push a bit more. If you feel any burning sensation or this pressure or there is pain, you have to be careful, don't push it too much. So these stretches should feel comfortable. You need to feel a pull but should not aggravate your symptoms, or you should not feel a burning sensation. Great, so the last exercise, it will be a neck extension stretch. So we've done a bit of chin tucks, a bit of kind of flexion. We've done stretches to the side, for the upper trapezius, for the levator of scapula, and now we have to add a bit of neck extension. I'm gonna use a towel, and I will roll it here, and then I will place it at the base of my neck. So place it at the base of my neck, and just rest your hands onto the towel. You don't put too much pressure, okay? So you can sit back, have a bit of support in the middle lower back. You don't put too much pressure, you just rest your hands there. And now I'm gonna do extension. So I'm gonna look up to the ceiling slowly as much as I can and come back. And again, slowly and come back. Once you feel comfortable, you can add a bit more stretch. So what you can do, you can follow the movement with the hand as well. So add a bit of traction, a bit of pressure into the towel. And while you look up, you leave the hand up as well. And then come back slowly. And again, together, push a little bit down and up and come back. And this will be more like a mobilization with movement. That will help you to increase the neck extension and it will work quite nice with this neck stiffness. Good, so we have finished with the stretches, and the next step for your rehabilitation is to do some strengthening exercises. On another video, I will show you how to strengthen the neck, because in physical therapy, we do stretches, but we also need to do some strengthening. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time.